Okay folks, today I'm going to show you how to create unbelievable flyers using ChatGPT, the free version, and Canva, the free version. Yes, it can be done. It is incredibly easy. You are not going to believe just how good this system is for creating fantastic flyers for any sort of event you can imagine. I've started completely new accounts for this just so you can see that it absolutely works without having to pay for the plus version of ChatGPT or the pro version of Canva, and I think you'll agree the results are amazing. We're going to do this in some very easy steps. First, I'm just going to search for an event that I know nothing about. Second, I'm going to grab the URL for that event. Third, I'm going to stick the URL into ChatGPT plus the associated prompt I'm going to give you, and I'll put the prompt in the comments below the video so you can have access to it yourself. Fourth, we're going to connect Canva to ChatGPT, and we're going to make the whole document editable so that you can change any of the elements. This is a game changer if you're in a team that needs to do design and create flyers or posters for anything that's happening at your workplace. This is a time saver that you just won't believe. So without further ado, let's jump onto the computer and I'll show you how all this works. All right, first of all, here we are on Google. Let's find an event. I live in the UK. Events near me in, say, Reading. I'll look something up and have a look and see what there is coming up. What's this? Legally Blonde the musical. Let's have a look at this. Okay, here's all the details. So all you need to do is grab this URL of the event. There we go. And then head over to ChatGPT. As you can see, as I promised, I'm on the free version. You can see down here at the bottom, this is a test account I just set up. So all you have to do is click this button here, create an image, then pop in the URL of the event that we just grabbed, and then we copy and paste this prompt. And now I'll just press send prompt and away this will go, and ChatGPT will start thinking, and this is going to come back with something incredible that you will not believe. I know I've said that a few times already, but you won't believe it. Now, it's asking me a couple of questions here. I know that ChatGPT isn't great with producing QR codes, so I do want a QR code. Let's say you want one and you want a QR code. Just ask it to leave space for the QR code, and you can just pop your own QR code in there, which is what I'll do here. I need you to leave space for a QR code that I will add myself. And yes, I want it to look like West End quality. Thanks. Alright, here we go. This will probably take 3 or 4 minutes, and I'll come back to you with exactly what pops up, and we can go to the next step then.
A few moments later.
Alright, we're finished. Now, have a look at this, people. Can you believe how good this is? The Sainsbury's Singers present Legally Blonde. Let's download this and have a closer look. Download. Just look how professional this is. Can you even believe that it could do this in the free version? Honestly, these tools have become so advanced. They're so easy to use now. All of this information on here is 100% correct. You've got the name of the show, the musical, you've got highlighted points, where it is, the dates it's on, how much the tickets are, as I asked for, a space for the QR codes, and some social media stuff here. I think you have to agree, that's absolutely unbelievable. Here's the next step. We're going to make this into a Canva document just in case we want to edit any of this information ourselves. Of course, you could iterate to ChatGPT right now and make changes if anything is wrong, but I know many people who do this sort of design in their workplace want to do the editing themselves, so that's where Canva comes in. Let's just go to Canva. I'll open a new tab here and I'll open up Canva, and again, guys, you can see that we're on the free account. Now here's what you do. You've downloaded your flyer that's been created by ChatGPT. This is all you do here. Just click the plus button on the left, then click on this new Canva feature that came out in March called Magic Layers. right here. Then you have to select your media, just click that button, upload the flyer. So I'm just going to my downloads, and as you can see, now the design is ready to edit. Let's click on the design, open editor. You can see now that the Canva AI is doing a little bit of magic. It's scanning this entire document and it's deciding how to output it into layers that you can then edit. This will take around about 1 minute or so, and you'll have a fully edited document.
A few moments later.
And there we go. Just like that, you've got a full Canva document, and you can do anything with this. Remove the picture. You can change any of these fonts. You just click on it. You just click on this. You can change the fonts here. You can change the style. You can change anything you want. You can delete. You can re-add. It's just incredible, isn't it? This really is an unbelievable feature now from Canva. And there we go, guys. It is as simple as that in today's day and age, in 2026, to make flyers and posters based on any type of event you can imagine and make them editable in Canva so you can make whatever changes you need to. Let's just try it again with something else and see how it works a second time. I'll go back to ChatGPT here. I'm going to do another image. Let's go plus. Let's go create image. I'm going to find another event. Let's look for something that's on in a hotel. Here's a wedding open day I found. Again, I'm going to just add the URL here. Then I'm going to add the prompt, which, as I said, will be copied in the comments below. I'll let this work for a little bit, come back in a minute, and I'll show you what it's produced from this. If you want to see what the prompt actually says at the end, you can see why it's asking me questions because of this part here. It says, please confirm the event details you pulled from the URL before designing, then produce the final flyer. And I added that just so I could quickly check over the details, make sure they are correct and that it hasn't hallucinated any of the information in any way. Although, now that we're making it an editable Canva document, it probably doesn't really matter if it gets it wrong because we can just edit it ourselves. All right, have a look at this. It's done exactly the same thing. It's got all the details. It's left a QR code box. I'm going to download this and just look how good this is. How long would it take you to make this sort of flyer in this sort of quality? Minutes is all it takes now with ChatGPT and Canva, both using the free versions, as I said. What more can I say? That's the tutorial for today. If you got some value out of this, I'd love it if you consider subscribing and like the video, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one.